that SD card slot that will be used a lot.
They got this thing called this because you see the price upgrade, but what are you actually getting out of this computer? I dropped a bag. A real bag. We bought something. Now I know I look a little beat up. This is post filming. This is what matters. Bro, when did you walk in? Alright, bro. So I thought we should switch up the scenery. Let's get into the specs, you know what I'm saying? We couldn't stay in the crib just for the specs on this illustrious piece of machinery right here. You know, so smooth. My hands are a little rough, so it's kind of a little loud, but it's so smooth. So, what do we have here? That M4 Pro MacBook Pro. So we don't got no little bit of 16 gigs of RAM. Nah. It's Apple, so it's called unified memory. Nah. We got 24. Now what do you need 24, Antoine? You're a college student. What do you need 24? Obviously, I need 24 for what I'm about to use this video for. You know what I'm saying? How I'm supposed to edit when that Sony camera is punching Final Cut in the face, punching Da Vinci in the face. What do we have here? You know what I'm saying? What makes this piece of metal right here so special? So, how I told y'all, it's not an M4. It's an M4 Pro. So if y'all in the cars, you know, you got a BMW M4. Now M4 is fast, but it's not as fast as an M4 competition. In the base model M4, you get 10 core CPU, 10 core GPU, 16 gigs of RAM, which is Apple now, so it's called unified memory, 512 gigabytes of SSD. You know what I'm saying? I didn't upgrade the SSD on mine either, because I'll just get external storage if I really need it. Now, that's just the base model. That M4 Pro, 12 core CPU, 16 core GPU, 24 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage. Like I said, I would buy an external SSD if I really needed it. That thing right there. This is something serious. So, as you can see, I didn't get the nano texture version. I think the nano texture version looked the slightest bit washed out compared to the colors that I'm gonna be dealing with, you know what I'm saying, at some point in this near future. And I just didn't think it was necessary, you know what I'm saying? Even though you do get a little $20 off it or $15 off it for a student discount as well. I want that MacBook look, even though I want the black one. We're not gonna speak on that though. Let me show you what actually comes in this box. Obviously, our beautiful Mac. Then, we got the stuff that nobody reads. That charger with that yeah on it. I watched a video on how fast the other chargers are compared to this one. It would have been a $20 upgrade, but it really didn't see that serious to me. So, yeah. But that thing's something.
Now, exterior looks, here's what we got. Got that SD card slot that will be used a lot. That HDMI, we'll show you something about that in a second. A third USB-C port. You got two other ones over here. One other thing I love about this computer is it's gonna hook up to them two displays and it's gonna look nice. Now we got one big display in here, so let's see what it looks like. I probably shouldn't have put it in like that. It's not gonna break nothing, no, chill. Now, will this computer end up being overkill for my day-to-day tasks? Maybe. The day-to-day as in coursework, schoolwork, all that. But when we get to editing a little something, hey, this thing gonna pack a punch, I'm telling you. It's gonna pack a punch. Don't say nothing about me having the trial. It's a 90-day trial, don't do too much. But let's say we're doing something like looking at me editing a video. You gotta pull it up on that big screen. Y'all can watch me squat all this weight on the big screen. $565 solid pounds right there. Get with it. There is one feature I won't be able to show y'all today. It's because I don't got no storage on my phone. I wish I could explain why I don't got no storage on my phone, but you probably don't got no storage on your phone either. So you can basically use your phone on your screen.
The option is right here, it's iPhone mirroring. I don't have my phone updated, so I kinda can't do it for y'all right now. So this is basically what it looks like. You can literally take as long as you unlock your phone, it'll just show up on your Mac and you can use it, like use your phone for your Mac. So I've been seeing like people will scroll. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing though, because I've been seeing people scroll on TikTok on their computer. But the computer is supposed to be used for work. But now you can put your phone on the computer in the shape of your phone screen. So you can scroll on it bigger. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know how much I end up using that, to be honest with you. It's just like a cool another add-on. Before I go, there is one thing I did miss. And look at that lot. We're not even worried about the battery. You know what I'm saying? We already know the battery finna go good. But it's about to pop up on the screen now. Center stage camera keeps you in front of the center. Let's FaceTime somebody real quick and see how center stage works. And matter of fact, I'm gonna FaceTime and then switch it over, because y'all know Macs can do that. It's my dog Sway. And then I'm gonna switch the camera over to the Mac. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see how everything look on the camera? It's following me, it's tracking my movements. Alright, bro, so today we're testing the center stage. So can you still see me? Hold on, let me pull up myself on the side. Can you see me? As I'm walking around?
Yeah, it's like following you.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Compared to a different MacBook, would you say the camera on this joint is a little bit more crispy?
Yeah, why is that?
It's a new computer, man. It's a new computer.
Oh, you just got it?
Alright, now, last thing. So, they got this thing called Desk View, right? They got this thing called Desk View. And I want to see, can you see my desk?
Yeah.
So if I were to show you my iPad, you could see my iPad?
Bro, stop. Alright, first, what? Yeah, I can see all that.
And you can still see me too?
Yes, I can see it, bro. It's so weird, bro. Like, I don't think I was the right person to do this with. This is weird.
No, perfect person, bro. Perfect person.
It is creeping me out, man.
So what do you want me to write down? What do you want me to draw? Or do you want to just read my notes from class?
I just read the notes.
Actually, I ain't gonna lie, I be writing fast as hell in there. You probably can't read that. Yo, why he acting like my handwriting that bad?
Because it is. Mercantilism.
Yeah.
Love the country. Sad. A nig. Shipmers from English ships. Navigation.
You know what I'm saying? So let's say you're trying to have a study session on the Mac. You can do that. Oh my gosh. And then I can zoom in for you if you can't read that. Let me zoom in for you real quick, just in case. You know,
Oh, stop. When did you get this?
Bruh, I picked it up when I went back home Saturday.
Oh.
Glad you could slide through for the video though. Like, this is perfect. Let me show you what screen you're on.
Bro, it's fucking freaking me out, bro. And you gotta connect it to a TV, bro. I might have to get that out of a lot.
But yeah, what if I was to... If y'all seen smudges in this video, it's not smudge proof, you know what I'm saying? I put on lotion so I didn't have ashy hands before this. That's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. And if I convinced you to get an M4, just let me know down in the comment section. If y'all got any questions, I will be dropping a week review of using this computer. I'm gonna catch y'all.